A+oic. All my learners, I hope we are all doing well by the grace of God. And I welcome you back once again to this particular term. I believe you enjoyed your holidays and the vacation, but we are all back for good to continue our academic work. As you know, we have multiple channels in studying for our computer. Right, I told you earlier we'll be capitalizing on the videos, the notes that we take in class, the digital version, and then the in-class teaching. So I have a task that I wanted you to perform. I think I've told majority of you already. So in this video, I'm going to perform that particular task. Alright, I'm going to take you through how to create a Gmail account, right? Yes, electronic mail, because this term we'll be practicing on how to use email. Alright, sending and receiving mails, replying to them, using carbon copy, blind carbon copy, how to compose, deleting, checking your inbox, and etc. So we're still doing. I believe you have that particular requisite skill when it comes to email. Alright, so without much ado, let's get started. So getting started, you realize I wrote for you can use any browser. So let me use Google Chrome here. I'll use Google Chrome. Google Chrome. What is happening? So we use Google Chrome, as you can see from here. So let me open this, maximize, and I'm going to use this. Okay, assuming I have nothing at all on this, I have no mail on this. So first thing first, either I type in the search engine or in the address bar, right? But let me use the search engine here. Let me type what? Create Gmail account. Right, like that. Yeah, so, and then we select the first link just as I wrote in your book. Yes, when it comes this way, realize there is create account here. Alright, so click on create account and it opens this page. So what this page is trying to tell us is, you can sign in only when you have an already existing Gmail. But since we are creating, we are going to be using this to create, right? So we click on create. Let's go for personal use. Okay, use personal use, right? Personal use, and then you write your name. So assuming your name is what should I even put up in here? Okay, and I'll put this one here. So you put yours right there, and then date of birth. So you put yours also right there. You put yours there, and gender. When it comes that way, you have to pick a Gmail username. How are you going to be called? Okay, or how are you going to be identified? Right? Let me say, let me make this one Samuel Lee. Okay, Samuel Lee 01. So you can use 01, 02, anything, 99, 999, anything. Let me try whether this is available. I'm being told this is not available. Right, let me try something different. Samueli.1.0. Let me see. Okay, this one is also taken, so I have to give it a try. Okay, Samuel.lee.001. Let me give it a try. This is also taken. Okay, Samuel Lee. Okay. 444. Let me give this one a try. Okay, it is taken. So let me maybe pick up this one, but you should try, give it a try. You may get one, right? Yes, just give it a try. You may get one. So let me just pick up this, right? And I go to next. I'm being asked for the password, so you make sure you get what? A strong password. You get a strong password, and then this one says we should put in what? Our telephone number. So you make sure you put in your telephone number, right? So let me give this one a try. So I put in this one. Say this phone number has been used so many times. Yes, but since your phone number might be new to Gmail, you can use it. So after you click on next, it tells you Gmail created, right? And then if it gets created, this is what you are going to want to see, or this is how it is going to be. Let me show it back for you to see. Assuming what it gets created, right? Let me show this to you. You'll be seeing something here, either maybe your name, maybe the first letter, either S or something, right? So you see it right there. Okay, so this one shows that I've created the email. So how do I visit Gmail? You can see we have Gmail here, right? If I should click on Gmail, it is going to open Gmail, right? It is going to open Gmail. And then that is that for this video. I'll end here, and until we meet again, the name is Kwame A+, and I'm out. Watch out, please. Shalom. This is the A+oic. Bye bye.